Principal. I'm not going to get a call for the fact that they do it. Okay. Can we just go to that pen? So 92465. I reckon that.
4.49%. And then the other two are the same. The guaranteed minimum is 3%. And the next two are both paying 4.57%. That's right. Oh, well, because they require a structured contract, a contract to pay out a structured payout over a period of time. Plus, I.D.E.A was originally an annuity company, an insurance and annuity company. So that's that is actually a good question. Let me take a look. It shows that it went through. So that's a little fun. Yeah, that's where it shows that it went. Yes, absolutely. Yes, it's supposed to only take 10 business days, or excuse me, it's supposed to take 2 business days for it to hit the account. So that's that's a Let go. That's DQ. All right. So, yeah. Oh, okay. So the goal or the focus of today is figuring out where these interest rates are coming from, right? Mm-hmm. A particular vintage, which is that excess amount, in excess of the minimum guaranteed rate, is determined at the discretion of TIAA's Board of Trustees. And then it continues. These rates are determined based on many factors, including the interest rate environment at the time the funds were contributed or transferred into the vintage, changes in interest rates over time, TIAA's expenses, the financial experience of the TIAA general account. That's that insurance premium thing I was telling you about. You're trying to get into your account. Of course. Good evening. Good evening. This is Joshua Walker. How can I help you? Mm-hmm. You said you're looking for loan information on your account?